listening to Young Jinx. You are now listening to Young Jinx.
Put in the work for years for this ain't no coincidence. Back then when I was so lit, now I'm lit, they're pissed.
Oh putain, négro, l'OG s'est fait shoot cette nuit. Gros, jure, c'était ça les tirs cette nuit. Jure que c'était ça, négro, yo. Faut qu'on aille le venger.
This ain't no coincidence. I did have to take them trips. Shit, they talking shit and they make me sick. I said fuck. Hey, rip out my shirt if you love me. Spit in my face when you fuck me. Play with my goose while you suck me. Eat the dick like you was ugly. I mean, hold on. Wait, where your friend bring your buddy? I don't think that you enough. Her favorite thing to say is cuff me. Slut me out. Slut me out. Slut, slut, slut me out. Rip out my shirt if you love me. Spit in my face when you fuck me. Play with my goose while you suck me. Eat the dick like you was ugly. Big dick energy, I give it. Don't believe me, then come feel it. Gon' put this here in your kidney, please. And her shit like some kidney beans. Suck my balls, come chickpea me. Why you being weird to me? Put your ass on my face till I get pink eye. Fuck you anywhere, I'm that type guy. At the church, on the plane, at the basketball game, on Kurt, I'ma bust my neck till I die. What position do I like? All of them, baby. Put it on camera, masturbate to it later. Ever sucked a vegan dick, baby, come taste me.